In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add salary in Zoho Books. If you need to record salary payments properly in your books, this is a quick and practical process to follow. The goal here is to make sure the salary amount is entered as an expense and linked to the correct bank account so your records stay accurate and easy to review later. To begin, open your browser and go to your Zoho Books account. Once you've signed in and you're on the main dashboard, look for the Purchases section in the menu. This area is where you can track outgoing business costs, and salary payments can be recorded from there as an expense. Click on Purchases and then select Expenses. This will take you to the Expense page where you can create a new expense entry. When you're here, pay close attention to the Expense Account field, because this is what tells Zoho Books how to categorize the payment in your financial records. Click on the Expense Account field and choose Salaries and Employee Wages. Selecting the correct category is important because it helps keep payroll-related expenses separate from other operating costs. That makes your reports cleaner and gives you a more accurate picture of how much your business is spending on employee compensation. After that, enter the total salary amount. Make sure the figure you enter matches the amount you actually paid, so your accounting records remain consistent. It's always a good idea to double-check the amount before moving forward, especially if you are entering a combined salary payment or working from payroll records. Next, go to the Paid Through field and select the correct account. This should be the bank account the salary was paid from. Choosing the right bank account matters because it ensures the transaction matches your real-world payment activity and helps with bank reconciliation later on. If your business has multiple accounts, take an extra second here to confirm you're picking the correct one. Once everything has been entered and reviewed, click Save. That will record the salary expense in Zoho Books, and that's it. You've successfully added a salary entry in Zoho Books. As a final tip, always review the category, amount, and payment account before saving, since those are the key details that affect your reports and account balances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.